So I'm here. I've missed every single connection, flight, train, and everything just to get to Rome. Everything's been delayed, and I missed my train again. But thankfully, the lady there, she was able to, the lady up top over here, she was able to get me on the next train, and I guess I'm on the absolute last train to Rome. Otherwise, I'll be finding a place to sleep here in Bologna, which sucks because I don't have internet. So everything disastrous that could happen is actually happening, and I actually wish that I was still back in Vancouver working, because this has been nothing but an absolute disaster. It's the time is 2012, 8:12 p.m. here in Rome, or in Italy at least, and it is Wednesday, 11:12 a.m. in Vancouver. And I've been awake since 8 o'clock Tuesday. So I've been awake for 27 hours now. I haven't slept. I feel absolutely horrible. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm irritable. Well, here's a train coming. Hopefully I'll make it to Rome tonight.